Monday, start of a new week, as always, on a Monday. Pick up again. Yeah, pick up. Love it or hate it. Yeah, so last time we straightened out the passenger side sill. So what I want to do is now do the same to the other side, but before I do that, I want to just put some extra supports in from the shell down onto the floor to spread the load, and also then I can, the weight of the body at the moment isn't all purely on the sills, and I don't want the same thing happening again. I attempt to try and put like a bit of a bolt nut and bolt in there system just to try and give me some adjustment. We'll see how that works. Yeah, so let's see what spare metal we've got. Let's see if we can get this supported, and then move on to this other side. And what would be really good by the end of this video is if we could pop some doors on just to see what's going on. But yeah, maybe that's pushing it. We'll see. 6 degrees supposedly, but feels colder than the other day. Okay, a little bit of welding, a little bit of grinding. I've come up with this super duper. It's hot. Adjustment rig. Bolt welded to the end of a tube. Bit of a floor plate just to spread the load. And not going to work because they don't go in. Obviously you can argue how I'm going to get it out later, but I'm just going to cut the damn thing out. So what we'll do, we'll jack it back up a bit. So we can do that because we have the technology. Nearly there. Hindsight's a wonderful thing. Yeah. And I didn't put the wash on it. So just burnt my hands up. Bit of metal that had a hole in it. Back down. Spread up on the floor just to spread the load. And yeah, we then adjust the nut and it goes up and down. Wow, what an invention. Okie dokie. Got things a bit more clamped up in the roughly right position. Not looking too bad. Seal line's nice and straight. Cheers for all the feedback on the rear quarter panels. I'm nearly tempted to just try and make my own bottom section. If I can sort out a folder. Although something's gone quite high up here, that's the trouble. So you either sort of, you have to joggle it. The trouble is you sort of then start doing different ways, it makes it a pain in the arse. You're sometimes better off just going right across. Or I bite the bullet and go for a whole new rear quarter. No, I think my head's telling me to go for some rear quarters, just to add even more expense and more effort. I think by the time I've cut that out and then bloody tried to fill it, wouldn't be so bad if this person, as I said, hadn't gone up here. I don't know, I could just redo the bottom 4 inches or something. That would work quite well. That's alright, you can see that from there. So I still don't get this. You can see the quarter overlap in this panel. Don't know. So anyway, that seems to be working. Although it's making the full lowest adjustment, but to be fair, it's pretty good for what it needs. Yeah, just a lot of bishing and bashing around. I think we'll move on to the other side. Trouble is, I can't try the doors on very easily with all these clamps on, so I need to think of something a bit different. So yeah. Alright, let's move on to the other side, see if we can get the other side a bit more supported. Okay, we're over to this side. I should drop you guys down a bit actually, hang on, you can see better. There you go, this side definitely isn't as bad. and you can already see that. Most of the line is more to do with just whether the lip of the sill's just bent a bit too and it's making it look wonky. But it could maybe just go with a fraction. Not much, let's have a quick straight edge. Yeah, so it's a little bit, so we need to do our tweak. And the lip on this one's not very square as well, so we need to adjust that a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, looking good. Looking good. So yeah, what we might try and do is get this sort of clamped down, and we'll try a door, and we'll get it all set up like the other side. You need to just see things. So anyway, let's have a play about with this. Okay, I just made another half adjustable support, so I can fiddle with the height. So that's good. Just turn the world off. A bit of a leak in the welder. Get this gas turned off. Have a look at that. So yeah, put it in there. That's getting good. Looking pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Yeah, looking good. Let's do a bit more. All right, door's there. I think it's workable. The door's pretty shot, so it needs a new skin on it. Bottom one's gone completely, so I can't even bolt the bottom hinge on. So it looks like we're gonna have to do this door skins fairly soon as well. We'll get another set of doors. But yeah, that's fitting all well down there. You saw what I saw me put a couple of little nuts and bolts in. You know me, love them. Also realised, just figured out why the door pocket has been cut. I thought, why is that being cut? You know, when I first got the car, right, the door was off. Obviously, they put the frame into a square it all off. Realised they wanted to try the door on, and obviously the door don't fit. So sadly, they cut the bin. Slightly annoying that, but that's life, isn't it? You can work around these things. So yeah, the door can go back a bit. So maybe the holes just need a slight tweaking. So that's not an issue anyway. We can do all that once we get the UNO panel in as well. But yeah, so that's looking a bit like business, isn't it? Whoops. More whips. Always nice to finish, like bolting some more panels back on, just give you a vision of the future. Stand back, and wow, it looks like a mini pickup. Yeah. So it's all slowly. It's just going to be days and weeks of just trying all these panels bit by bit, and we get to the point where we think we're actually ready to weld some in. But I think I can't do any welding yet. We need to get all that scuttle all sort of clamped up as well, and be happy with both door shuts. But yeah, so down a bit more panels, door skins. Yeah. Kids home from uni for a night, so chicken for heaters for tea. So yeah, it's looking alright. Yeah, so I think the door gap's workable. You know, on this side, that's for sure. So I don't know if it needs too much tweaking. Slightly higher at the back there than it is the front, but again, without the door skin, you know, you can adjust a lot with the, you know, putting the door skin on. So yeah, I used Magnum door skins on the previous one, so no reason why not. But I've got them just to see if these are pretty shot, especially down in this top chat on the channel. I remember the last one was a pain in the arse to repair, so I hate Mark 1 doors, I really do. So anyway, that's looking a bit better, gives you a bit of hope for the future. So yeah, till next time, just more lining up to be done. Yeah, slowly, cat's a monkey. And again, thanks for all the advice, links to different panels, things like that. Just so much to do. If you haven't done it, I think Summerford Mini Centre, or Summerford Minis, whatever they're called. I saw them on Facebook the other day. They've restored a pickup as well for the RMM. Obviously, I think they've got slightly more time and tools around. But yeah, worth following them on Facebook if you're interested in pickups. I'm sure you already do. Anyway, all right. See you soon.